Open the plant growth lamp. Let the seeds break through the soil until the flowers bloom. Every frame is a miracle of vitality. Light up the natural vitality of your home. High-strength iron frame structure. Give plants a steady sense of security. MDF wood, board surface. Growth lamp. Only plug charger of 15W2A or above is applicable. Comparison of different wick types. Comparison of plant growth rates under different lighting conditions. Adjustable light intensity. Timed adjustment. 3 timing modes. A variety of different usage scenarios.